Hi, Mart here from AssemblyAI. I'm excited to talk to you about how our new products make it easier than ever to build voice AI apps on top of Assembly. When we talk to our customers, a common challenge that they share with us is that it's not just enough to have a transcript. You actually have to build a lot of post-processing steps to turn that transcript into something that's production-grade and production-ready for your customer. So let's say you're a contact center and you want to label your transcript by agent and caller. In the past, you'd have to transcribe your file, use an LLM, find and replace the speaker key using regex. But now you can use speaker identification with speech understanding in your request to Assembly, and we handle all of that logic for you in just one request. So you can specify the known values, caller, agent, and coach. And now if we just run this real quick, you'll see that the transcript is labeled by caller, agent, coach, and so on. This is just one of the many features we've released on our platform to simplify and accelerate your development. We can't wait to see what you build with AssemblyAI.